Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorials, how to change dimension in inch. So as example, you can draw the walls in this working plan, and you can see we have the default dimensions in millimeter. And if you want to change into inch, you can go to edit menu, click on default settings, click in dimensions and then double click on the dimensions, click edit, and the next go to primary format. You can change unit in here like into inch, or you can use this symbol. You can check to set for the unit indicator. If you done, click OK to change the dimensions. Click OK again, and it will be automatically apply into your drawing. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to dimensions in inch. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.